So I'm at Botany Town Shopping Centre, and I found this really cool place. That's something that we do love to eat in Singapore. Check it out. So it's a food truck, and they do all the hot dogs. So they got cheese. I checked with the owner, and he said that the hot dog is actually chicken, so no pork here. So you guys are more than welcome. So this is located by the food court at Botany Town Shopping Centre. So I'm probably gonna go for this one, the half and half, and I'm gonna get me some fries. So let me order. Hey, how are you? So can I please get number one, and can I get some fries as well?
Yes, some fries.
Okay, cool.
$14.
Okay, I'll just pay. Okay, so thank you very much. How long will that be?
Around 6 minutes.
Okay, sure. Okay, so 6 minutes, guys, and we can try this awesome hot dog. I saw somebody eating it, and I just could not resist. You know how I am. I'm a sucker for fast food. So yeah, check out this place. This cost me $14 New Zealand, so that's about maybe $11 Sing or so. I can do the conversion online, and you guys can see. But yeah, it's not too bad for something that we can't get in Singapore. Let me show you the menu again. So you got half and half. So this is half chicken, half mozzarella. Look at that, guys, and you got all the sauces: tomato, mustard, mayo, even chocolate. So yeah, awesome. Guys, give this a try. Let me show you. This is Botany Town. We'll do another video tomorrow for Botany Town. It's a very nice place. And it's just outside the town square. Okay? Can't wait until I get the hot dog and we can just have it together, guys. Guys, my order is just beeped, so let me go get it. Right. So this is the half and half. Awesome. And we got, oh wow, a lot of fries. Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, guys, let me turn off. Yep, I'll get the sauce here. So we have mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, and chocolate, just like I showed you. And this is my hot dog. Okay, let me switch off for a minute, and I'll start eating. All right, photo done. So time to eat. The chips are amazing. Done a bit. Wow. Huh. Oh, there's a bee. You can see even the bee wants some. Amazing. The hot dog is absolutely fantastic. So obviously the top is the cheese. Yum. Good combo. I want to show you what the chicken sausage looks like, but you can see the cheese there and a bit of the chicken sausage. Now you can see it. Well, it smells a bit smoked, so maybe it's chicken with cheese, but I'll let you know. That's a good corn dog. Definitely smoked. Nice. Guys, you must try. Mighty dog, guys. Give it a try, or you're in New Zealand, Botany Town. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Well, guys, I'm gonna finish this, find me something else to eat. I'm here on a mission. Eat as much as I can while I'm in New Zealand because I miss the food. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.